guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shirin. So I am in Goa for my cousin sister's destination wedding, and in today's video I will be showing you my outfit, look that I created and my makeup that I'm going to show you right now. This is the best possible setup that I could arrange, and because we went to the beach, my skin is not behaving as it should be at the wedding day, but yes, I hope I'll cover it up. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the moisturizer. It is from Sephora. My skin has started itching after using this moisturizer that I've been using from a very long time, because I think it's because of any reaction after the beach or chlorine. I don't know why most of the products are very harsh for my skin, and I have been using this moisturizer from a very long time, as you can see, and today after the beach and the pool thing, my skin is reacting so bad that I'm not able to use a moisturizer, which is so sad. But yes, I will try to use a sunscreen. It is a biotic sunscreen with SPF 30, which is very necessary for today because it's a day wedding. It is fine, it is not reacting. As I'm wearing an off-shoulder blouse, I will be applying the sunscreen here too, on my arms. So now I'm applying the L'Oreal foundation. I bought it specially for the wedding, and now I hope it does not react. I have been using it for other events also. So I'll be applying this foundation all over my neck and my shoulders because I want my skin to look even. This is a very high coverage foundation, and I really love how it goes on to my skin. So I'm done with the foundation. I intentionally did not use a primer because this is the primer that I'm carrying with me, which is Aftershave Balm, and I know it would start itching on my skin as it has become very sensitive because of beach, chlorine and all. So that's why I skipped it. Next thing that I'm going to use is this concealer, which is a new purchase, Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. It gives very high coverage, so I am applying it under my eyes to highlight it. Oh, on my eyelid because I'll be doing a smoky eye look. And all the high points of my face, also on my neck. Now I'll be blending it with the help of my middle and ring finger. Okay, so there is a travel tip. What I did was I carried all my base items like a foundation, concealer, primer, moisturizer, sunscreen and everything in this pouch. This one has all the brushes. This pouch has all the eye makeup items. And this has all the lipsticks. So it gets easier when you have to do makeup. You have very little time to get ready. Now I'm coming on to the eyes. Firstly, I'll make my brows using this shade that I have right here. So for eye makeup, I'm using this palette, Natural Luxe Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm going to give a very heavy smoky eye look because my lipstick is going to be very simple. Starting with this maroon and brown shade, which is here, just to give a good base. Now I am applying this dark copper glitter shade, which is here. So now I'm going to apply this golden shade in the inner side of my eyelid. This shade is very pigmented, very pigmented. So now I'm going to apply the same golden shade in the inner corners of my eye. I don't know, I look very different in front of the mirror and in this screen. Even this one is a new purchase. It is Colorbar waterproof liquid eyeliner in the matte black shade. So I'm going to apply this. So I'm done applying the eyeliner. Now I'm going to just put some concealer to make my smoky eye look even more sharper. The last step is to apply lots and lots of mascara because I'm very sleepy and I want my eyes to look wide open. Okay, so for my face, firstly I'm going to contour it. This is the Kiss Beauty palette. Next step is to apply lots and lots of blush. So for the blush, I have the Makeup Academy blusher that my sister got for me. I don't want to compromise on highlighter. I want a very heavy highlight on my face. I have the fan brush too, but I don't know, it does not blend properly using a fan brush, so I use this puffy brush here. Do you see that highlight popping? I really love highlighter. It is a favorite part of makeup. As I'm wearing an off-shoulder blouse, I'm going to highlight my collarbones too. Do you see the difference? Look at the collarbones now and you remember how it looked before applying the highlighter. The last step is here, which is to apply lipstick. For that I have another hack. So I'm going to apply concealer on my lips first because I will be applying a nude lipstick. So I want my nude lipstick to pop out. So the lips already have some kind of a color on them. Instead of that, I'm going to apply concealer to conceal that color. I know it looks weird, don't laugh. So I'm going to apply this shade Mehr from MAC. It is a very popular shade, you must have heard of it before. So yes, I'm done with my makeup. I still don't get it, but I look different on camera and in the front of the mirror. I look better in the mirror. I'll show you how the mirror looks right now. So yes, this is my final makeup. I don't have a setting spray with me right now, so I asked someone to get it for me. And for the hair, I'm going to curl them. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a curling tutorial. I would love to do that. So yes, I'm going to curl my hair because I'm getting super late.